G'day guys, quick video for today. I'm on my way to do a photo shoot, but the thing is I decided to make this video quick because I'm waiting for the client right now and might as well do this video. First of all, I'm not sponsored anyway with these items that I'm going to talk about, and second is that yeah, I bought it with my own money. That's the first. Second is also I didn't prepare for this. I just spur of the moment made this video. So first of all, I should stop saying first. Okay, I should stop saying first of all, second of all, whatever. One thing to take note is that I'm using an A7C2 just in case if you want to know the gear. There's a lot of flies everywhere, and also I'm not using any wireless microphone or anything because I want to try this other thing also. I'm using the Sony microphone. I'm gonna put out the name on the side because I forgot the name. It's the new one. It's the one with stereo and has 4 channels and whatever. So I'm going to talk about that in a video. I want to talk about it now, but I don't have much time. So yeah, what I'm going to discuss right now is I'm going to discuss about the DJI mic. So I'm using it. Fucking flies everywhere. It's so warm here in Victoria right now. It's summer, so flies are everywhere. Anyway, I'm using this one here, the Osmo Pocket 3 most of the time. And I'm using their wireless mics. And the good thing about this camera here is that you can use wireless mics. There's a lot of flies really. I'm just getting annoyed. Sorry about that, guys. I'm using both of the wireless mics. First, I have this. So usually there's the black one, but I lost it. I freaking dropped it. I don't know where I placed it. It was my fault. But the thing is, I hate it because I dropped it and there's flies still flying everywhere. So I bought a white one. So this is the microphone, the wireless mic that goes directly to the camera, and it's very good. I love it because the thing is it can record in 32-bit. At the same time, you can charge it with a USB-C. There you go. So if you're on the go, you're going around and you want to record audio with this, but you're running out of battery, you can just plug it to a USB-C. Like when you're plugging your Osmo Pocket 3 into a charger, you can also plug this into your USB-C. So it's good. You can charge it anywhere. Has the fluffy thing, so it's very good. I just got this recently. This one here is the DJI Mic Mini. It's a new one. The difference between these two is that this one doesn't record, and as you can see, it's so tiny. And I need to hide this. Okay, it's so tiny, and it has a magnet also at the back. And what I have here is the dock. In case if you don't buy the whole set, you're gonna use the dock to charge it. The dock is like USB-C charging. You just put that thing on top of there. I'm trying to cover my face. And once you do that, it works. It works so good. The only thing that I didn't like about this, I'm trying to compare it with this microphone here. Again, this is spur of the moment. I'm not prepared with everything. Anyway, I kind of spaced out. Okay, yeah, shit. That's what I'm telling you. I didn't prepare this, but the thing is, the difference between these two is this is bigger. When you put it in your clothes, it just sags the clothes. This one's so light, it doesn't sag the clothes. So it's nice. It's so tiny, it's so light, and it's not expensive also. But I prefer using this because I'm just gonna change the focusing mode to this thing out of my face. 1 sec. Okay, change the focusing mode now. I'm getting annoyed. Anyway, yeah, the difference between these two is yeah, this is big. This is heavy. This is gonna crease your shirt if you put it on. This one here doesn't. But if you're gonna buy this on its own, you're just gonna receive this in the charging cable and a case and this one. If you're gonna buy this on its own, you're gonna need a dock for it to charge. One of the main things that I really don't like about this transmitter, although it's very nice, it's small, it's cute, despite it's not recording, it's fine with me. But the only thing I didn't like about it is that when you need to charge it, you need this dock here, and this dock is like flimsy. So when you're out in the go, you're traveling, and you need to bring this dock, because if you lose this dock here, you won't be able to charge this thing. You need to buy this, or you need to buy the whole set, which has the charger and everything. So that's going to cost you more, and it's going to be lots of things that you don't need. I'm using it with my Osmo Pocket 3, so I'm just going to bind it directly to my camera. With this one, I can just bind it directly to my camera. It records, and you can charge it directly with USB-C. So like, yeah, it's easy to charge when you're traveling. This one, you would need this. And if ever you're traveling and you lose this, and you only have this, and then the thing is, how are you gonna charge it? I don't know. I have no idea. That's what I hate about it. Another thing that I don't like about it, that's nitpicking though. When I used this controller to record. So when I press the link button, it does the record on the Osmo Pocket 3. This one here has that also. But the problem is once you press it, you're not sure if it's on. Because the thing is, this has an option wherein you can have it vibrate when you press it. This one doesn't. So you press it or you do whatever, it doesn't vibrate. So you have no idea if it's recording or not or what's it. Yeah, that's it. So yeah, just a quick video. I'm gonna make a better one, but that's just now. Hope you get something out of it. But yeah, from this two, if you're gonna have me choose from this two, I'd go for this. Because even though it's heavy, even though it has bad microphone, I hate the microphone with this. It's like muddy. But this one is easy to use when you're traveling, or you're on the go, and easy to charge, I reckon. So yeah, that's it. So yeah, just finished filming my client, and I had to hurry. I was finishing my Bisaya vlog and everything. But anyway, yeah, that's it. I love using this too, but I prefer using this. We can get the black version. Anyway, bye.